guys, as you can see, I just woke up. It's 7 a.m. right now, and I'm gonna go take my dog to the vet right now. Probably gonna eat something quick, and then we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, so just taking my dog to the vet a few hours ago. Just donated. And now I'm just waiting until I have to go to work. But then after that, I'm going to, I believe I'm coming back to pick up my mom, and then we're going to the campground where we're going to be meeting those people that they were there last week, I believe. But that's the plan for today, and then either tonight or tomorrow night we're gonna be firing off the fireworks. It all depends on what's going on and if they're up for it. So I'll see you in just a few seconds. Alright guys, just got to the campground. Literally just got here. My dog is finally back from the vet, and he's hurting pretty bad. Poor dog, I feel bad for him. He has this
in the arms of an angel, fly away from here in this dark.
I don't know if you saw that, but yeah, you can hear him. My hair's a mess, I know that. Getting a haircut on Tuesday, so just a few more days. Just got paid today. Oh my gosh, it's like super bad. But yeah, I'm getting that cut soon, and that'll be a fresh cut once again. Hopefully they do a good job. But yeah, here, brought all my fireworks just in case, and I'll see what's going on. See you in a second. So I took one of the kids to the playground. He's on the bike right now. He's enjoying it. You having fun, Trey? I think he has enough. You all done? You all done, Trey? You want to go again? Kids can be fun sometimes, and other times you just want to jump off a bridge. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. But yeah, it's really refreshing outside. It's not cold, it's not warm, it's just refreshing. So yeah, I'm enjoying this day so far. It's nice and relaxing. Got some annoying kids over there playing some type of game. I don't even know if you can see them. Can I zoom in on this? Nope. But yeah, says that it's not too bad of a day. So we'll see what else happens, and I'll see you in a few seconds. Hey guys, so apparently it was in the budget to buy a boat, so we got a boat. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to ride this beast. Trey, you having fun? Yeah? Are you digging for gold? Trey, are you digging for gold?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think Tesla.
Yeah. Keep digging, you have a long way to go. You got a new friend now? Trey, you got a girlfriend now?
I have friends that's cool.
You like that, Trey?
A lot of people believe that the Old Testament people were saved by works. That whatever they did, they were
Trey,
no.
say hi.
That's why they offer sacrifice.
Say hi, Trey.
We don't say we are not saved for works. We only
It's all done. Throw it in. There you go. Oh, I need more light. Can't see anything. Alright guys, so we just finished up camping and we are headed home. So I will see you in a few seconds so I can go edit this vlog. Hey guys, well, I've been home for about an hour and a half. No, not even. Probably an hour. Editing the vlog right now. So I'm gonna wrap this up so I can have a conclusion to my vlog. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya.